Welcome to Abandoned Landscapes, everyone. Today we're here exploring an abandoned factory warehouse. We're going to go and have a look, see what we can see. With T420 Tom Explorers, cooking Saz's way. So yeah, we're going to go and check it out, so come see what we see. First of all, we've got some like wagons. They're obviously a bit worse for wear. But look, a lot of graffiti. Let's see. Couple of wagons. Got this main building here. Yeah, we can get in there. It looks like it's been abandoned for some time. We might as well have a look. We came to check another building, couldn't get in, and then we noticed this. A lot of graffiti. Some of it looks quite cool actually. Looks like they give up on this place. The way in there. Now we've got a bit of graffiti there. Pretty cool. It's like a set from one of Ren's music videos, this. A couple more wagons here. See, straight through them. Been wrecked. Have a walk round. Some cool graffiti in here as well, guys. Oh, there's a way in there. Pretty cool. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. Looks like people have been chilling here at some point. It's all like knocking something down. Stairs here, let's go up here. Go up here, might be safe. Ooh, sketch. Yo. Some sort of like strobe lights. Let me see the clubs here. Yeah. Yeah. Check that. Loads of graffiti. Sarah, I think there's some other explorers there. I don't know, it might be using that building. Two guys have just come out. So they might end up calling police. He was filming me then. He was filming me on his phone and then he shut the door. Yeah. I think that's a business getting used. Don't hang around there, we need to get in that main bit. Yeah, I just want to get this. That's pretty cool. Bit of anime. I'm going to go and get the main bit because I think we've got some grasses here. I think we've got some grasses. You're filming me. I filmed him though, so it's alright. Massive. Oh, some good graffiti in here. Let's get it done before 5-0 turn up. Oh, I'm not sure what they did. They had some big lighting. Oh no, that's a heater. That's a heater.
Yeah. What? Fucking needle.
Oh.
And it's still got a needle on it.
Oh, be careful then. Be careful. I need to tell him. Yeah. So I've got to watch everywhere I'm walking now, guys. Look at the pulley system. Got the pulley system, so the guy would have sat in here and controlled this. That's cool. I haven't actually seen one like that where you sit inside. We've got loads of graffiti. Some very cool graffiti there. Yeah, I like that. That is cool. These on. Not like Rockstar. Obviously you've got to watch where you're walking. Yeah. Might be them guys from before. So yeah guys, this is a quick explore. Seeing what we can see. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit the like button, it really helps. You can leave a comment as well. And if you want to be really generous, share the video out. It's like electrics. Mad. Look there. Bloody dolphin coming out of a banana. Never seen that before. More for the graffiti this. We've got the devil. I think we've seen most of it. There we have it. So skaters are coming in or something, maybe. Right. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. We release weekly content. Now we're doing 2 videos a week. So I'm just trying to, get out more and bring you these amazing abandoned places. So hit the like button, please. Share the video out, and if you can, leave a comment at the bottom. It helps us reach more people and grow the audience. Take care, everyone.